Hello, I've not made a video for ages, partly because I've been under the London lockdown and haven't been able to really get out anywhere. I'm very lucky that I've been able to work from home, but I've just had 2 weeks off work as well, which has been really nice, and just been at home. But I do have a balcony, which is great because I can get out in the sun when the sun shines. So I've been getting lots of vitamin D, I hope, from the sunshine. But it's been all right in London, actually. People are keeping their distance, and the only issue is when you go shopping, it takes sort of a couple of hours queuing. But that's okay, you know, it's... there's stuff in the shops, so there's no problem. And also there's all the stuff I want. I don't want all the pasta and the flour. There's lots of veg and stuff like that, so that's been quite good. So it's not been too bad, and I'm quite happy with my own company. So I've been doing lots around home and stuff, so got some bits and pieces to show, but nothing particularly exciting. So I do want to send a message to Sandy, Wiltshire man, and Jack Law Knives. He's had quite a rough time lately, and I just want to send my best wishes to Mandy and hope everything's coming along and things are getting better. So just thinking about you, that's all. All the best. My apple trees are in blossom, which is nice. You'll have to excuse the traffic noise, it's going to get loud, I think. I've got a bit of a collection of Swiss Army knives. I've had this one since I must have been about 18. I tend to always carry a Swiss Army knife if I go walking. But really useful tools, including the tweezers, but I've never understood the use of the toothpick. It's always been a bit of a, what's that there for? But then I discovered these. They're called FireFlies. They're little fire steels to go into your Swiss Army knife. They're very small and delicate, and you have to be very careful. And probably the best one to use it with is the camper that's got the steel saw. I'll just use these out the way a minute. It's probably not the best place to do this, but as long as you're careful with them, they do light. So let's see if I can do this. There you go. Oh, just burning my scarf. So they're just a daft addition, really, but they're quite sweet. So, and they just go in where your toothpick would normally go in. So, yeah, a little fire steel for your Swiss Army penknife called a FireFly. Not cheap, I got as a pack of 3, so they've all got one in now. If anybody's got any better uses for the toothpick, then let me know. Yeah, it's an odd one, this virus. Part of me thinks I've had it. I was really quite ill in February. I wonder if it's been around a lot longer than we think. But until we get an antibody test, nobody's going to know. So I've been using my solar charger this week while the weather's been nice. Just charging up my tablet and my phone. Might as well use it. Sprouting broccoli seeds to add a bit of green to my salads.